Adobong sitaw ang lulutuin ko ngayon. Haluan ko ng karneng baboy. Karneng baboy, pork, bawang, pamintang buo, pimiento or red pepper, string beans or sitaw, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, vinegar, white vinegar, white pepper ground, black pepper ground, and some other that I would be putting in. I think I have not put the laurel leaves and seasoning. I'm gonna saute this, then turn it into an adobo. I'm going to brown the pork a little bit, then put in the garlic. In the laurel leaves been simmering 10 minutes, kaya chinecheck ko muna. And then I'm going to give it a little stir. This one has to be cooked well. Ang bagay ng adobong sitaw yung talagang luto na. So lutuin ko pa. Here, tinakpan ko ulit. I covered it again. For others, this is already done, but for me, no. I'm still going to cook it some more until the water is nearly dry. No more sauce, no more water there. So I'm going to cover it some more for a few more minutes. Okay, pwede na sa akin ito. But my favorite is I will simmer it until it's truly dry. Marami kasi kami ngayon. It's better na may konting sabaw. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day.